Rahim. Today we are present in separation process lab, and we are going to demonstrate or explain the experiment aeration unit. We will not performing it due to some certain reasons, but we will explain it in such a way that students will have a complete idea of how an actually aeration unit works. And now, what is aeration? Aeration is basically in which water and air come in contact with each other. And to perform aeration unit experiment, there are mainly general two methods of aeration unit experiment. The first one is water film aerator, and the other one is air diffusion method. And in our present case, we will have an experiment, or we will have that kind of unit in which we are applying the method of air diffusion. So aeration unit also have many applications. For example, it is used widely to remove carbon dioxide, and it is also used to insoluble the precipitates of magnesium and chlorine and magnesium and chloride in well waters, in tube well waters, etc. So this is basically the complete intro of aeration unit. Now the apparatus will be described by Abdurrahman.
So basically this is aeration unit, and this is flow meter through which we can control the flow of oxygen coming in this tank. And this is diaphragm pump, and this is basically a stirrer, and in the bottom of the tank there is a pedal. This is the tank in which water is stored. This is the sensor, and this is the oxygen temperature meter through which we can calculate the flow of oxygen, how much oxygen is dissolved in this water. And this is basically the power supply through which we can control the stirrer. This is the main power supply.
I am going to demonstrate the working principle of aeration unit, and this is the oxygen inlet point, and oxygen is come from that point and in the form of bubbles, and this is a main supply, and this is a supply of stirrer, and we just control the speed of stirrer, just three parameters: minimum, medium and maximum. And the oxygen absorbed in this tank is only depend on temperature, but we are ignoring in that case, and we are just taking the speed at minimum, medium and maximum. And this is a flow meter. We just control the flow of